Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Ito pala yung EVR guys na bagong install natin. So, yun, sira yung stock niya, so ni-replace natin yung bago. Tsaka itong genset na to guys is 6.5 kilowatt portable generator. At dito naman banda guys, dito natin makita yung stator niya at saka yung rotor winding niya. Pag pinaklas mo yung maitim, diyan mo makikita guys. At dito naman sa kabila guys is yung ignition switch na at saka yung power pilot light niya, voltmeter, breaker at saka AC output pag magamit guys. So ito yung bagong repair. Tingnan nyo guys, namumula pa sa gasket kasi hindi na mandar kaya pinaayos natin. So okay na siya guys. Ito guys, yan po ang ating EVR guys. Yung taga-regulate ng kurente, automatic voltage regulator guys. Ito guys, so don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. See ya.